we just got back from Orange Beach. That's why I look like this. But like, it's like sleet, hail. I mean, what? Ugh. Every time we have a vehicle, where's the cop?
Over there.
This way.
We're allowed to park on the side
This
of the road.
way.
Like, they can't tell us shit.
No, and we're literally. My truck's on a trailer for secret reasons right now. I'll tell you later. But they always show up and they're like, because the old white people complain about trailers. Where's Gabe? I hear him talking. He probably came to
Oh,
the door.
the officer's at the door right there.
Yeah.
Does Bluey? Oh, there he is. Bye.
They always just. I mean, he's just doing his job, but people are stupid.
I told you.
The verdict.
It's hooked up to a truck.
The verdict is the trailer is too long to park in the neighborhood.
That is not a thing. That cannot be a thing. So what do you have to do?
If you learn anything from this segment, it's don't live in a neighborhood. Alright, we just got back off my truck after we get these off. Hi. Hold on, don't go backwards. Okay, good, because I just realized that those weren't down and I was like, frick! So Gabriel has deemed that safe. Why am I dating him? Oh my god. I'm literally... Oh my god, no, no, no. Why? Okay, cool. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Why do I let him do anything? I don't know. Does it look okay? I actually don't know what I should say. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're at Logan's shop. Gabe's truck is done. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've been kind of joking, kind of talking about being next. I should stop joking about things because now I am next. But come. All that's coming off. The guy who sold it to me wants it back, so he's just gonna buy it back, I guess. Tires. Selling the tires, getting boggers, because Lacey Blair said that I should get boggers, and she's my mom, so I have to listen, right? I think we're doing coilovers everywhere instead of just like a coilover and then leaf springs. Leaf springs kind of ride like shit when you go over a certain height, so screw leaf springs. Yes, I'm getting a new stack. You guys keep asking me. I kind of want someone to sponsor me, but Logan could also make me one. But I also can't make up my mind on what type of stack I want. So I'm not doing it lift like Gabe's, like with the big arms and all of that. I think I'm gonna stick with doing like bars, kind of. Where's Drew's truck? Is it here?
I don't think it is.
Anybody seen Bruce from... Oh yeah, it is. Come. Oh my god, okay.
Oh, this is all mud.
Come this way. Okay,
Bars.
so we can't go too close to it because even though that looks dry, we're gonna sink in it. It's kind of gross. But yeah, this is basically what mine is gonna look like. It's gonna have the triangulated nonsense. That's what I call it, apparently. And then Gabe wants me, they made a cradle that looks exactly like Gabe's, but my logo, which I haven't shown you guys my logo yet because it's not finished.
That's gonna be on like that, kind of like that.
I feel like I should do a cradle like that versus Gabe's because it has like the diamond and stuff, if that makes sense. So I kind of think I have to argue with them about that because they already have a cradle right now, which I think it's literally like one side, so they have to make it other anyways, so whatever. But yeah, it's gonna be rad flow shocks, whatever, you know what I mean. And yeah, so we weren't gonna start till May. What month is it?
March.
We're starting
April.
today.
March.
So yeah, I just thought I'd tell you guys what I'm doing. And you guys keep complaining that like I don't have anybody record me, but I just feel like kind of awkward because I don't know. It's like I'm talking through my phone to Savannah. So I'll get used to it, but I don't know, stop complaining because here I am. Okay, so good news. I said that I would have to argue with Logan and Gabe about the cradle. Logan threw out the cradle. So Kaylee gets what she wants as usual. I'm stuck in a field. I told Gabe, he said he's gonna murder me. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to get some good pictures for Instagram, and I'll show you. I wanted to go over there, but it's like quicksand over here. But yeah. I wish I had a filmer, but I might be getting it. Once I hit those rocks, I'll have traction. But I'm just going back and forth right now. Come on. Come on, bitch. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. I don't want to go in that right there. That's like a bunch of water. Okay. I mean, she's dirty, but why would I care? I just gotta get out of here. I'm drifting all over the place right now. Oh my god. I just gotta get over that with like zero traction on my tires because of all the mud on it. Love that, love that. Give me a second. All right. Oh. I just three-wheeled it, but we're out. Okay. Oh yeah. It's still spraying mud everywhere. Cool. Savannah, if you see this, I'm gonna need a detail. Whoopsies. Yeah. Yeah. Love that. I like my truck so much better dirty. I don't really have quarters for a wash either, so it might just, I mean, it might rain tonight, so then I won't have to do anything. I'm actually really surprised I got out of that because I don't have a front drive shaft right now. I get a bigger truck, we'll probably work on that. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, I called Gabe and everything. I was like, I might need help. But she did it, y'all. So I need some freaking mud boots or something. I mean, I have those, but those are kind of just for stupid fancy. You can see my footprints out there. And the dogs want to make an appearance. Hello! Hello! So happy. Oh, goodness. Respect the drip, Karen. Hey, why is it not used to the sun? So we all know my truck got stuck. So Gabe brought it where I got, oh my God. Yeah, he brought it where I got stuck and tore it up even worse. So I probably will not ever go back there again because he just made it even, oh my goodness. Yeah. But yeah, I think all we're doing today is we're washing the trucks, and then we went axe throwing with my dad last night. We're going again with my mom tonight, and then yeah, but that's really it for the next couple days, to be honest. Nothing much more eventful is gonna be happening other than I'm bringing my truck back to Logan's, and I think we start soon. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.